Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Dylan says, skinny amazing video. I have a question. Do you apply the LA wave in your TA? Yep. And could you take a look at Chirpley? Chirpley is still in a very nice accumulation. I would expect Chirpley to eventually do well, right? We actually noticed Chirpley when it was here, right? Before it blasted off. We were here. So I should make entries for Chirpley around this area. And after that, pump, we're out. It's still looking good though. So I would anticipate it to stay above the skinny pink line. Complete a very nice, a very nice wave E, right? A, B, C, D, E, and then pump. Let's see, we're out. So still accumulating. So more good things is expected for Chirpley. Of course, things can always go wrong. But for now, it's still looking pretty good for Chirpley. Thanks, you're welcome. Gold and silver. Bros, the time has come. Yes, sir. Great videos. Can make one Arcblock. Okay, Arcblock is also in an accumulation, right? We have been accumulating ever since 2018. When are we gonna blast off? Could we still continue this accumulation? Still do something like this? So I'm like, oh my god. No. But we're above the skinny pink line, which is good. So we're hoping that it just keeps breaking out, but yeah, I don't know. We have been accumulating for the better part of 4-5 years, right? It's been how many days? 2,000 days, 6 years, yo. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh boy. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah, 6. I don't know. It doesn't really look like there's anything. Not at this point of time. So that's ABT. Is NXRA a good entry point in your opinion? Not for day trading, but at least I don't know, a year hold. I don't know what's the hold, but NXRA was also in an accumulation period, right? We were accumulating here. If you look very carefully, this is also nice. A, B, C, D, E, pump. We broke out. And you can count the waves as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're above the skinny pink line, right? And we're kind of in a deep retracement. You can also count the waves down. 1, 2, 3. 3 waves, right? Normally when things fall, they fall in waves of 3 or 5. When it's up, it's usually 5. So as you can see, very good example. 5 up. Is this a 3 wave down? Right. 1, 2, 3. Or could there be another 4 and a 5? I don't know. Right. So if let's say I want to join in the trade for NXRA, I missed the move at like 6 cents, right? Where can I make a move for NXRA? Sub 10 cents, right? Again, there's a noisy area over here. We've already cleared everything, all the clusters of stop sells over here for NXRA. All cleared. There's another one here. So we might just drop a little bit, clear these lows, stay above the skinny pink line, maintaining the bullish trend, dropping to sub 10 cents here, and then that's it. We go back up. Ooh, this would be awesome. Right. Yeah, NXRA is in a bullish trend. And I will anticipate this bullish trend to continue. Possibly towards... okay, if this is a wave 1, right? Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So this is 300%. Crazy stuff. Let's say we do another... Can we do another 300%? Sure. But if you were to do a 300%, I would anticipate that this particular consolidation will be a little bit longer. Right, a few more months in the making before a breakout continuing towards the upside, because this whole thing is really a complete 1. So we need to get a wave 2, and then only do we get a wave 3, right? So again, another prime example is here. Wave 1 down for a 2. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest, and 5. So Dylan, this is Elliott waves, basic as it gets. So how far are we going to retrace here? Again, I was saying sub 10 cents, 9 cents, 9.8, 9.9 maybe. Again, I can't say for sure. So if it were to be me and I want to get into NXRA, that will be my entry. Somewhere around here. After it clears this low. Right, so which means that potentially NXRA could still drop another 13%. Still a little bit lower. So yeah, there you go. That's my take for NXRA. And where's this news? I'll be melting wave. What's wave? Thanks for the book list. Working my way through one right now. We'll be on a Patreon if I could afford it. I wish you nothing but abundance this bull run. one day. NMR USDT, we'll always be waiting. You're always welcome anytime you're ready. Numeraire, squeeze in the making. Let's look at NMR USDT. Yes, it's in a squeeze. Chirpley, we took a look at Chirpley. It's in a squeeze. Very nice accumulation. ABT, also in accumulation. NMR, also in an accumulation. It's only a matter of time before a breakout comes. So, yeah, it's looking good. I kind of like what I see on NMR. And we are above the skinny pink line, which is great. So hopefully we stay above it, and then we can continue higher. Could we still continue dropping a little bit more? Yeah, of course we could. But I kind of like what I see. So, NMR is good. NMR is good. Where is this? Any thoughts on AMC or Tesla? AMC is... Cinemas is not gonna do good, bros. Look at this. AMC. Would you want to buy AMC when it's in a super bearish trend? No. Any high quality tradable chart pattern? No. What's there? Nothing. Right? You already have our smartphones. We don't need AMC anymore. So yeah, it's streaming, online streaming. So yeah, online streaming has taken a very big section of the pie. So yeah, it's not doing well. Tesla, okay, Tesla is also in a downwards trend. Look at this big drop. How much lower are we gonna go? I am not too sure. Could we sweep the lows over here? Yeah, there's a gap here. Doesn't mean we're gonna feel it, but could we sweep the lows? Yeah, potentially. Right. Let's say if you pull up a Fibonacci retracement, right? Sweeping these lows will be nicely a 0.618. Right. The golden retracement ratio. This would be very nice. I don't know. We could get that possibly, but again, not too sure. No strong opinions on Tesla. Guild of Guardians barking like a dog. Yes, sir. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's comments. Or shall we take a look at some coins though? What do you think? Let's look at volume. Let's look at let's look at 4 or 5 coins, which we are not always looking at. MANTA, okay, MANTA has I think it's dropped considerably though. MANTA was in a super rally, right? That was a nice squeeze over here. I think there's more upside. If you look at this, right? That was a nice squeeze. Up again. 3 waves down. Could we get a 4 and 5? Right. Could we be breaking out from here? Not too sure. Right. A, B, C, D, E, out. That's MANTA for you. What else? Sui. Yes, sir. We rarely come across. Yeah, I think we did come across Sui though. On the daily, anything for Sui? Yeah, this could be a B though, right? A, B coming down for a C, D, E. Could this happen? I don't know. Is this a tradable coin at this point of time? No, I don't think so. Chilliz! Oh, is Chilliz about to make a recovery? Are we gonna be recovering? Oh, look at this, so bullish. More upside for Chilliz. You're kind of above the skinny pink line though. And if you zoom into the smaller time frames, symmetrical triangle, breakout. More upside? Yeah, potentially. Potentially more upside for Chilliz. Potentially. But yeah, there's no strong buying pressure yet. It might just come suddenly low. But we're above the skinny pink line. Hoping that it stays above it, right? There are many times that we went above it, but we failed to stay above it. Right. Zip up. So convincingly break above the skinny pink line, consolidate above it, and yeah, continue bullishly. This will be awesome. So yeah, that will be Chilliz. ORDI is down a lot, I think. Yeah. How much lower are we gonna go? I don't know. ORDI looks like a head and shoulders in the making. We could be heading lower though. Right. I mean, of course, if you recover here, it'd be great, but I don't like this. It's a very clear support line. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, maybe. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good, boys and girls. It's not good. Let's do another one. Torchin! Oh, RUNE. How is RUNE doing? RUNE was on a Reaper. Oh, that's in a correction. How much lower could we go? This will be a wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see this? This whole thing is a wave 1. This is a wave 3. We're going to get a wave 5. We're in the midst of a wave 4. So how much lower can we go? Again, there's a noisy area over here. So I'm assuming that we'll drop another another 12, 13, 14%. Then that's it. We continue higher. And you can also see on RUNE, there was a head and shoulders. You see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're above the skinny pink line, so we're anticipating the bullish trend to stay. 350, around 350. That's my guess. Come back down a little bit lower, and then we go higher. Another 13, 14%. Best case scenario for RUNE. So, yeah, we're in a wave 4. There should be another one, wave 5. So, RUNE is interesting. If I didn't do this, I wouldn't have realized that RUNE would probably have another wave higher. And this is a confirmed bullish trend. So, this will be awesome. How much higher could we go? Let me see. Double digits. My assumption is double digits. $10 maybe. It depends though. We could get something like this first. Right. Summer run. Right. Something like injective. If you go to injective, you'll see it. Something like that. Right. Something like this. But we're still above the skinny pink line. I mean, of course, like injective, we could just go on a run, right? Take out the highs over here. I don't know if it's going to be happening, if this is going to be happening on RUNE, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's comments reply. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!